I feel a lot of guys, यानी मैं खुद की भी बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ, सारे नहीं पर बहुत सारे, you lose your ability to love after a certain age fully.
Don't say that.
मतलब आप caring रहते हो, you
Why
become a
would you
nicer
say that?
person.
That's wrong.
ये बहुत
You lose your ability to love.
थोड़ी सी.
I think as adults, you just become less adjusting. And adjustment is the first thing that's needed when you're with a partner.
I think a relationship becomes much more about being the right person also for the other human being. But on some level, I'm not able to articulate it exactly, like what I'm trying to say. But loosely, it's this key. As a guy, a lot of guys, not all, a lot of guys lose the ability to love. एक बार जब दिल बहुत बुरी तरह से टूट जाता है, तब
टूटा है?
Of course. And I'm still trying to be a very good partner at this stage because I'm very conscious of that. And ये मैंने मेरे partner से भी बोला है. And I feel कि a girl's ability to love increases with age. And for a lot of guys, the ability to love decreases with age. It's also because of the weight of the world. ये वो. Again, ये generalized statement नहीं है. कुछ ऐसे.
I feel like the guys mature later.
हाँ.
Usually. At least in India.
All over the world.
Really?
Yeah.
But they do. I feel like women mature faster actually.
For sure. I feel कि also लड़कियों की वो EQ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है inherently. वो भी तेज़ी से बढ़ती है. Guys की EQ भी बढ़ने लगती है एज के साथ. But there's a lot of ये मैंने repeatedly show पर भी ये बात कही है. ठीक है. I'm sure even you face sexism in your whole life and all that. So being a girl, there's a lot of problems in human society. But कुछ ऐसे problems होते हैं being a guy. Like which, and most guys are not able to articulate this also. But ये बहुत सारे लड़कों की reality होती है कि you're dying on the inside. And somewhere in the process of that death, you're not able to fully give love to anything except one day you hope कि maybe when after I have kids, I'll probably save it for them. Again, ये मैं generalize नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I have a lot of friends जिनकी शादी हो चुकी है and they love their wives immensely. And maybe that's the case here as well. Maybe after marriage, I think love obviously might change.
Do you think what you're saying as a personal experience, I'm assuming, is something that comes from a heartbreak, and then a lot of men, from what I've seen, how women take heartbreak and how men take heartbreak, a lot of men shut down.
Yes.
They don't want to open up again, from what I've sensed.
Yeah. That's
women
exactly.
take the heartbreak very differently.
Yeah.
Some of them become a little less trusting depending on what happened with them. But some of them are still open to love.
Yeah. I think there's a lot of pain that comes with being a guy. There's a lot of privilege, a lot of material privilege, safety
the pain
privilege.
that comes with being a guy, like what?
It's the obvious cliched things कि बचपन से आपको बोला
You're
जाता है.
asked to be strong.
You're asked to be of value to the world, materially speaking. And the more value you provide, the better. The more people you're able to help, the better. And if you're not of value in one way or the other, you'll be discounted by society. तो ये सारे लड़कों के दिमाग में ना एक रेस चल रही है. Okay, from a spiritual perspective, okay? I think कि औरत होने के नाते एक जर्नी होती है, मर्द होने के नाते दूसरी जर्नी होती है. जैसे कहते हैं कि ना an ideal relationship. ये again बहुत generalized statement है.
Yeah.
We're not talking about gender roles.
A man is supposed to be a provider.
Yeah. On a more
superficial level.
I would want to take care of my girl's external world, and I would want my girl to take care of my internal world. The question is why? Because society makes the external world for a girl difficult, and the internal world for a guy difficult. And that's why you bounce between male births and female births to learn both the difficulties.
That's so beautiful what you just said.
ये हम यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे?
I have no idea. We were talking about school crush.
Possessiveness.
What happened?
My overarching point is आसपास के बहुत सारे लड़के हैं जिनकी क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस हो रही है इसी वजह से कि मेंटल हेल्थ चकनाचूर हो चुकी है. Because the internal world is fucked.
Because of what? Because you're not able to express. What is it?
I'm a very expressive guy.
Huh.
Okay, and like I openly, I think the audience also knows my mental health is like at this stage. I don't know the
I'm trying to understand how you and I are different.
as male and female.
Yeah. Like how, like you're an expressive guy, I'm an expressive girl. You've had whatever to provide for family or to earn or a pressure to do well or whatever by whoever or yourself. I've gone through a similar journey. Not had pressure, I would say, but I've gone through a professional grind. How is your internal turmoil different from mine? Like,
I'm sure you will also say nothing ever feels enough. You always want to keep climbing.
that's a thing. That's a...
For me, as a guy, when I say nothing ever feels enough, I say it from a place of pain rather than from a place of ambition. Okay?
pain coming from heartbreak.
विकास दिव्य कीर्ति नाम के एक UPSC कोच आए थे शो पर, एंड आई थिंक ही इज इन द टॉप 1 percentile ऑफ पीपल इंटेलेक्चुअली स्पीकिंग हु हैव हैड ऑन द शो. उन्होंने एक बहुत क्रेजी, आई थिंक इट्स अ फ्रॉइडियन साइकोलॉजी थ्योरी, उन्होंने एक बहुत क्रेजी थ्योरी शेयर करी थी कि बचपन में एक छोटे लड़की की रियलिटी और एक छोटे लड़के की रियलिटी बहुत अलग होती है. उस लड़के को अपनी मम्मी से दूर किया जाता है एट सम पॉइंट. यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू स्लीप ऑन द सेम बेड. यू आर टोल्ड एंड नो नो नाउ क्रिएट डिस्टेंस. लड़कियों के साथ जनरली स्पीकिंग ये नहीं होता टू अ लार्ज डिग्री. एंड दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेशन इन चाइल्डहुड फॉर अ गाय leaves that guy feeling like nothing is ever enough. I'm not good enough. There's something wrong in me. और ये रह जाता है. इसलिए लड़कों की एम्बिशन, स्पेशली एम्बिशियस लड़कों की एम्बिशन कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती. एंड दैट वॉइड इज़ ऑफन अ प्लेस ऑफ पेन. कि यार मैं कुछ भी करूँ एम्बिशन ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रही. लाइक आई एम ऑलमोस्ट टायर्ड ऑफ बीइंग एम्बिशियस. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी. I talk for like cricketers, politicians, billionaires I've had on the show. Same problem. ये mostly सिर्फ एक stable marriage के बाद sort हो जाता है क्योंकि आपकी wife एक मम्मी का रोल निभाती है to a large degree. ये मैंने observe किया podcast के through.
Do you think all men somewhere look for their mother in the girlfriend?
I think even women look for a father in the boyfriend.